Hi, my name is Aziza and I'm on Instagram and TikTok under the name Home with Aziza. I love interiors and lifestyle, and today my mum's house will be getting a door lift with Palladio doors. I came across Palladio doors on Instagram and I love the range of doors and the fact that you can customize it exactly to what you want. So this is my mum's front door and we've had so many issues with it. It doesn't lock properly, it's really bad quality and it's just deteriorating. So it's the perfect time to give her a new door that can give a facelift to the front of the house. It's not just me that's excited, but my entire family has been waiting for this day for the new door to be installed. So we're just counting down the hours and we can't wait to see the new door. So this is the final reveal from Palladio doors and the door looks absolutely amazing and I'm just so obsessed with it. I love the fact that during the design process we were able to customize the door to how we wanted. That included the color, the side panels, the frosting. The door itself has a foil finish, which means it won't ever chip. The door itself is such amazing quality and so secure, which gives me peace of mind because my mum lives here and I'm so glad that now she feels a bit more secure. I'm so ecstatic with the reveal of this door. Thank you so much, Palladio doors. And now the house has just got such an uplift and we are all just so happy with it.